Hello everyone, I am here in Cohocten, New York. Oh, I remembered this time. My friend here, Evan, he's been in different videos, such as my Gatorade.
Oh yeah, did you actually post that?
Yeah, I posted those too. The one where I dumped a Gatorade on you. Yep, this place has a lot of stuff, including, hang on, I have a couple of friends, they might know what this is back here. Looks like we might have found some sort of Darley or Sterling something. Yep. It's down here. I don't think this is because that plate thing, but this part definitely looks like one. Should I put my hand in there? It's a bet. Nope. Yeah, well, it looks like a siren. Probably not. There's chairs.
This might be a
Freaking
wheel of some sorts.
Wheel.
It's attached to it.
Wheel, air raid siren, hold on, siren. There's a lot of poles.
It's a cargo thing.
Contain intermodal. The intermodal.
I don't know why this is here. It might be.
Yeah, there might be some sort of. There's bikes. Welcome to the bike store. Please choose your bike wisely.
And what is that?
This thing?
Siren stand.
I'll stop. Oh! That looks like Chryslers are 2 times bigger, but like right there is what like the engine of a Chrysler would kind of look like.
Alright, let's go back. We can
Oh yeah, I'm gonna.
pause it so we can cut to it.
Yeah, hang on.
What's your take on it right now?
What do you mean?
Like, what's your opinion on it? Is it cool?
Very, yeah. Thanks for having me out here. The bank vault. No idea how old that thing is. Looks old as hell, like centuries. Now, here's interesting.
This might be the first human powered airplane or helicopter.
Yeah,
Those
that.
huge wings.
Yeah. It's like,
Wings. Airplane.
no, it's just chicken wing. Dude, there's all sorts of stuff related.
Pause it.
Okay. World's largest pair of headphones. Could use that for the grenade test.
Why?
I just meet up with like bringing Anthony or something and just put those on. Well,
Yeah,
I'm
there
not
might
here.
actually be a warhead though, like the missile.
Yeah.
It's not in here. It's in that one.
The chopper blades.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that chopper blade.
Yeah.
It's a jet thingy. I don't know.
Blades everywhere. Choppers. Motorcycles. This place is awesome. Fridge. General Electric.
We got what we call it.
Yep. That is
There's a cracked window.
hand crank. I'm kidding. I need hand crank. Anything. Bull crank.
Probably save that for last.
Why?
Because it's pretty cool and big, and I think they want to see it for last. We can tell them to stay tuned.
Sorry for the shaky camera. I'm holding this with one hand. Should probably
Yeah,
stop.
look at that plane.
The-
They called it the zoocopter.
The zoocopter. Yeah, I did do that because it's barbed wire. What the heck? My God. No. You want a sword?
I mean, my dad or my grandpa did have. Oh, that's Dad. Austin's here.
Alright.
I mean, look at this helipad.
Yep. Helipad. Heli. Intermodal container. Oh wait, that's a dumpster. What the heck is this thing? Is this what he would use to bring the helicopters over?
Probably, actually.
Yeah, this is what it would be to bring them over. There's our mystery. Yeah, the mystery siren piece thingy.
My dad used to build dams.
Dams. Goddams. You build goddams. Whoa. Wow. Can I lift this?
That dam is pretty damn cool.
That thing's way too heavy. Oh, God. I should pause this. Giant engine, too. God knows what engines. You know them. Alright, that's about everything interesting here in...
Fine. Film that then.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This sold...
Quick story. My dad actually... So, him and his friend were playing in it when he was younger. And, he accidentally hit a button and it sent out a beacon to actual military people. And, guess what?
They came.
Like, a fucking squad of military Humvees. Probably not a tank, but
Maybe.
Humvees, armed people just came over. I mean, look at these blades.
Bird. Yep.
Actually, look at those machine guns in the front of that.
That's why I was saying bird.
They, of course, cover the front of it now.
Alright, well, I guess that's basically everything here in Cohocten, New York. One of the most interesting places I've been, besides Glen Curtis. Stop! No, you. Anyway, I guess I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!